Good morning students, welcome to Konur online classes. Previous classes we can discuss a basic concept about permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. Here, very important as well as very essential things is permutation means arrangement. Combination means selection. First, we know the concept of arrangement, that is permutation. Very important formula regarding to NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here, in n things, we can arrange total n things are available. In which 6 things are selected. 6 things are selected to arrange in r varieties. Here, on the basis of this formula, we can calculate or find the value of 8p6, 10p3, 10p2, 5p1 value. Here, we know that the formula NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here, n factorial means n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, so on up to 3 to 1. Here 3 to 1. For example, 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 1. Here this is our explanation for factorial notation. Here, on the basis of this concept, here to find the value of 8p6. Here 8p6 compared with the general form, that is NPR is equal to n factorial n minus r factorial. In place of n, 8 is there, and in place of r, 6 is there. Substitute the value. 8p6 is equal to 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 6 factorial. 8 minus 6 factorial, that is 8p6 is equal to 8 factorial divided by 6 minus 2, that is 6 minus 2. Here 6 minus 2 is 2 factorial. Here regarding simplified, this is our answer, 8p6. Similarly, 10p3. Here 10 factorial 10p3 is equal to 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 factorial, 7 factorial. That is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial. 7 factorial. Here 720 is our answer. 720 is our answer. Here regarding to this one, 10p2. Here 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 2 factorial. 10 minus 2 factorial. Here this is 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial. Here 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial. 8 factorial get cancelled. Here 90 is our answer. Similarly, 5p1. Here 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 factorial 5p1 is equal to 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Here 5p1 is equal to 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 factorial will cancel. 5p1 is equal to 5 is our answer. On the basis of formula, that is NPR. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here, by using this formula, we can calculate some important formula problems. That is, in how many ways can 5 people stand in a queue? In how many ways 5 people can stand in a queue? Here we can consider one queue. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here naming as people number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in this way, here this is a one arrangement, one type of arrangement. In how many ways can 5 people stand in a one queue? Here this is one queue. This is a one type of arrangement. If by using the 5 peoples, regarding how many way of arrangement we can make. Here this is a very complicated things. Here by using the formula we can easy to calculate. That is, here there are NPR, means here total number of peoples. Here total number of things, what are it may be. In this, how many peoples, how many things are arranged? NPR means total availability and arrangement. Here in this way 5 peoples are there, that is total number of available peoples are 5. Here by using these 5 peoples we can make one queue involvement of 5 peoples, that is 5p5. Here this is our answer to extend this 5p5 regarding to formula. Here 5p5 arrangement, total number of queues are there. Here we know that NPR is equal to n factorial n minus r factorial. In place of n also 5, r also 5. Here 5p5 is equal to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 5 factorial. 5p5 is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 0 factorial. 20, 60, 120. 5p5 is equal to 120 divided by 1 is equal to 120. Because 0 factorial is equal to 1. Here 0 factorial is equal to 1. Here how many ways can 5 people stand in a queue? Means here this is a one type of arrangement. Regarding 120 type of arrangement we can make. Here there are total 5 people are available, in which 5 people are involved to make a one queue. Here in this formula NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here 5p5 is equal to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 5 factorial. 5p5 is equal to 5 factorial can be extended as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 that is 0 factorial 5 p pi is equal to 120. Here 0 factorial value is 1. Regarding that, 120 type of Qs are made. Here in this concept, how many 3-letter words? How many 3-letter words can be formed using consonants, but each only once? Each only once. Here in our alphabets there are 21 consonants are there. 21 consonants are there. Regarding here we can arrange 21 letters are available. By using the 21 letters we can take only 3 letters. Here by using the concept NPR is equal to n factorial n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial. Here availability 21 letters P. We can arrange only 3 letters each. Here 21 P3. Here n value is 21, r value is 3. Here 21 P3 is equal to 21 factorial divided by 21 minus 3 factorial. 21 P3 is equal to 21 into 20 into 19 into 18 factorial divided by 18 factorial. Here 18 factorial get cancelled. You can take 21 P3 is equal to 7980 is our regarding answer. Here in how many 3 letter words can be formed using only consonant, but each letters can be choose only once? Here 21 consonants are available in which we can take 3 letters to make one word. Here our answer is 21P3. 21P3. We can apply the formula NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here n value is 21 and r value is 3. Substitute here in this formula, we get the result 7980. Here also two important problems. In how many ways can 4 people occupy 6 vacant chairs? Here there are 6 vacant chairs are there in which 4 people occupies. In how many ways they are occupying? Here total NPR is equal to n factorial n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial. Here there are 6 vacant chairs are there in which 4 people are occupying. 4 people are occupying. Here to find 6P4. Here NPR means in this case n value always greater than r value. Here n value is always greater than r value, or n value greater than or equal to r value. Here 6P4. Here n is equal to 6 and r is equal to 4. Here 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial. 6 minus 2 factorial, 6 minus 4 factorial. 6 minus 4 factorial. Here 6P4 is equal to 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay, this is simplifying, we get the result. Here how many different signals can be made by taking 3 different colored flags at a time from 7 different colored flags. Here there are 7 different colors flags are there, in which 3 flags are selected at a time and make a one signal 7p3. 7p3, that is 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial minus 3 factorial, that is 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Here we can simplify, we get the result.